What's up? What's up? Mayong adlaw sa tanan. And our topic for today is about the flow chart. Under gyapon sa subject nga Fundamentals of Programming, IT 12 for first year BSIT. So sa niaging video na-discuss nato ang flowchart, dimension ng flowchart as the best modeling tools when it comes to planning to your program. Karon we will discuss in-depth kung unsa pa man jud, unsa may naa sa flowchart. What are the symbols? Unsay pasabot ang mga kaning diamond, parallelogram, oblong, unsa man na siya, no? So without further ado, let's get started. A flowchart is a planning tool that graphically portrays a programming task. It is a visual diagram showing the progress of works through a sequence of operations. In most cases, a pictorial representation on how an algorithm works is quite easier to understand through a flowchart than putting them on a lengthy text. So instead nga maghimo kag malapal paragraph nga suwat, imo na lang ng buhatan og flowchart. Mas concise, presentable, through visual presentation, mas dali siya masabtan. Kay kada shape, pila ra po ibutang og words sa kada shape. Ang input nimo na numero ra gud niya. Ang bahala na din linya kung ana siya padulong. Unlike anang maghimo og paragraph, unsa na? Essay. Certainly, an algorithm is the source of steps necessary to solve a problem. Yet the method of presenting those steps into a plain English-like statements before an idea is perceived and the context is understood. This is the reason why the use of flowchart is far more popular than the rest of the other modeling tools. Flowcharts graphically represent the logic of the program by looking at the symbols as portrayed in the diagram's construct. Unsa may mga benepisyo ug mga limitasyon sa paggamit sa flowchart? Flowcharts will certainly afford us the benefits in presenting our procedural plan in graphical format, although in some other way it admits of some limitations. Unsa man na siya? Una, the logic of the program can be easily disseminated to other without explanation of the content. Di na siya nimo i-need i-explain. Mata-mataho na lang na nimo, kini siya, tahay kini. Ang daga niya dito, daga niya dito. No need to explain. Anyone can understand kung asa padung na siya, no? Kaduha, very effective sa pagpakita sa mga solusyon sa problema. Kaya nga no, slice into smaller parts so it can be easily viewed and understood at a glance. Through the shapes natong gigamit, ma-slice into smaller parts. O nandali siya masabtan. Katulo, it becomes easier to write or code the program as it represents the steps in a more detailed form. Mao gali maghimo kag pseudocode, unahon nimo ang flowchart. Mas maayo mauna ang flowchart before ka mag pseudocode. And then pag after nimo mag pseudocode, apply na dayon, code na dayon. Kanang literal nga jud na mag-coding na jud ka using programming languages. Very useful in correcting errors and detecting faults that are difficult to pick up. Pila ra po'y papa. Like, naisayop, oy, bago na to ni asa ang dagan ani nya. Imo na po alista ng linya, asa na siya pa doon kasi bago ni mong plano. Alista na po nimo sa shape kay lain. O nga na ba? Dito sa limitations, the logic of the program develops in more detailed and in rapid proportions. The flowchart has a tendency of becoming difficult and ungraceful. So magkadugay, daga na kay plano mabutang, usahay pod dili na siya masabtan, murag libog na siya ba kay dako na gud kanang managhan ang imong mga kanang detail na jud kaayo ba, no? Magkadugay, more detail and in rapid proportions kanang daghana, no? Nay tendency nga mahimo na siyang kanang lisod na sabton. Maya na maghimo og flowchart very straight to the point, no? Ginagmay ra jud padakon mura na kag map bitaw na lain kayo. Major adjustments are required to be made. The flowchart may require significant amendments or even complete revisions or redrawing. Usahay no kanang flowchart lisod po na kay gamay ra sayo na tendency damay-damay tanan imong gipang drawing dira nga linya, ipampilit nimo nga mga shape. Tangtangon na po na nimo tanan. Redrawing, revision, o trohon na po na nimo paghimo, hassle, di ba? Flowchart is meant for human communications only. Meaning tao ray makasabot. No part of it is understandable to the machine. It is used for only para lang jud sa interaction sa tao ba. Na, bay, mo ning dagan sa atong plano bay kana. Aron dali siya masabtan, matamatahon ta sa tao. Dili siya matamatahon sa machine. Kay lahi ang sa machine, programming languages jud ang gamit aron masabtan. Kana siya for planning ra na siya. Better modeling tools for planning. Aron dali siya masabtan. Magaling na consider siya as one of the best modeling tools when it comes to planning. Isa may kaplano, diba tao? So, flowchart is meant for human communications only. Now, there are two types of flowchart. Number one, system flowchart, and two, program flowchart. Unsa man ang system flowchart? A system flowchart is a graphical representation showing the overview of the processing employed in the whole system. Kumbaga, flowchart siya nga ang gipakita ra kanang ang dagan sa sistema ba, kanang asa na siya padong, unsay gamit ana kanang sistema ra siya, more on for process purposes. Unlike aning program flow chart, when you say program flow chart, na kay tuyo nga sulbaron. Katong system flow chart, gipakita ra nito unsay dagan sa sistema sa kanang proseso ba, unsay dagan. Unlike ani program nga part sa plan, gipakita kung unsaon or step by step solving of the problem. Discuss nato na later. One of the most effective tools of the systems analyst is the system flowchart, as it brings the most effective way of showing what inputs are required, what actions are to be taken to process the inputted data, and what the outputs should be as required by the system. System flowchart also shows connectivity to the software, hardware, and people were involved in the operations. So there's no kanang walay problem to be solved. Wala lang, pakita lang niya unsay dagan, kinsay involved. Asa siya na-connect? Ano ra yung pulos? Although standards have been set by the ISO, or International Standard Organization, and ANSI, American National Standard Institute, many organizations, for both system and program flowcharts, still many organizations as well as individuals depart from these standards. In most cases, they design symbols for their own use, oftentimes sacrificing the principles as pronounced by the ISO and ANSI. So, uban mo pake sila standard. Okay, personal use raman, own use raman. Kanang depende ra sa kung unsay inyong masabtan, no? Unsay inyong gisabutan. Mauna na, no need to follow their standards. Lahi mo tag pagsabot. Standard symbols according to them. Kanang nga na, online storage. Mo din siya online storage. Pag kini, monitor screen. Kanang oblong terminal. Pero sa program flowchart, lahat na siya pasabot. Samot na ning diamond. Pasabot ana diri sa system. Sa system flowchart, ang pasabot sa diamond, alphabetical, chronological, numeric, unsa man na siya. Circle, yes, on page connector. Hard disk, kalayo sa hard disk, nahimong cylinder. Document, printed copy, manual input, collate, and etc. A program flowchart is a graphical representation of the logic in solving a problem. Mo na siya. It provides detail of steps in the sequence in which those steps are executed to generate meaningful results. Para sa akong giingon, program flowchart, ginagamit na siya if there's involvement of solving a problem. Because ga-provide siya kanang sakto, accurate nga information sa mga step nga dapat sundon. A program flowchart describes the flow of the sequential steps necessary to solve a problem. A programmer normally begins with general picture of the overall logic and breaks it to fewer but larger parts. Again, solving a problem breaks it into different parts, and kada part isa-isahaw na nimo hantod sa mahurot na nimo tanan. Each part is then broken into smaller pieces. Imagine, breaks it to fewer but larger parts. Dagko, gibahin siya mga dagko. And then katong nga mga bahin ng mga dagko, imo pa jud tong bahinon into gagmay. and further into smaller segments when necessary. Each time each part is reduced, more details of the steps are described, and the smaller each part would become, the greater and details are emphasized. Very accurate ang paghimo ilag plan kay attention to detail ba. Kada gamay magsugod sila ginagmay padung sa pinakadako hangtod sa matibuok na nila. So dira nila masabtan kung unsay dagan silang program. After the programmer has completed the necessary appropriations, the steps are converted into a flowchart. Mao na. This is done by assigning appropriate symbols to each line of instructions and arrange them into logical fashion. Once a flowchart is drawn, the logic can be easily checked, modified, and refined to conform to the processing requirement. If the flowchart is found by the programmer to be procedurally sound, coding follows. Coding translates the logic embedded into the flowchart into high-level language to generate a source program. So, tungod anong flowchart, mas masabtan, and then masugdan na dahil himo coding. Flowchart template. A template is a special tool for drawing flowcharting symbols and to aid programmers in solving problems. A template is usually made of plastic or metal, and it contains the basic flowcharting symbols that were outlined through its surface. It carries combination of shapes, and there were systems and shapes that were programming in use or purpose. Say dagway na. Ingani siya. Gipampilit dira ang mga different shape, then gipangbut ngan unsay gamit niya. Na lines, na diamond. I don't know, sa pa iwan. Unsa ni? Hard drive, hard disk, paras gain na. Layo ra kay siya dagway. Okay, programs flowchart symbols. O ani siya? Ang gipili ng mga symbols is mga basics lang or unsay very common nga mga gamiton, no? Di na tanang uban mga shape nga ano siya pulos jud actually, hindi not necessary ba nga tanan jud siya ma-apply. Gamay ra jud nga shapes ang kinahanglan. Example, siyempre line, most important ang line. Flow lines, din kaning oblong mo ng terminal. Terminal I mean kanang start then end. Tanan flowchart magsugod jud sa start, which is oblong ang shape, then ang katapusan end. Nya oblong gyapon ang shape. Input and output ang parallelogram. Kumbaga naka-input nga mga number, diri nimo siya ibutang. Example, enter number 1. Then ang result, diri gyapon kini gyapon nga shape ang gamiton sa result, output man. Next, we have the rectangle or the process. When we say process, dira ang computation may tabo. Computation like 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus whatsoever, dira sa process. Kining diamond, dira ang decision. Kanang mga question bitaw nga mga is 1 greater than kuan? Ana, is 8 less than kuan? If kuan, then yan ang mga decision. Then yes or no din ang mga tubag ana. On-page connector, ang pulos ana, taas na imong flowchart. Gusto ka magsumpay, dili na sibo sa imong papel. Pero gusto ka ang sumpay, naragyapon sa isa ka papel. Di mo gamit kag on-page connector. O di na makaya, off-page connector imong gamiton. Butlang ang gud nimong number ang tumoy, tahay no 1. Circle niya 1. Sa pikas, 1 po diyang kuan. Kimo may sumpay man sila. And the same with the off-page connector. When we say off-page connector, gawas na sa page, another page na po. Ang on-page, within the page lang gihapon ang sumpay. For example, the terminal or the oval. O diba? Start. And then stop. Sinugdanan o katapusan, oblong dyan na. Oblong or oval. Symbol is used to indicate the starting as well as the ending point of the flowchart. In plain language, all program flowcharts should start and end with a terminal symbol. A process or the rectangular symbol is used to represent arithmetic operation or when casing individual variable assignments. This rectangular shape is the most frequently used symbol in flowcharts. O, diba? Na computation na itabo. Dira ang process. Process rectangle. The parallelogram indicates input and output operations and also specifies the link between the device where such data is entering the output. Output symbol shows the flow of data and the device where such data is passing through during the processing. Margingon na na input print or kanang i-display ang outcome o ang output, input or mag-enter ka kung sa value nimo dira o parallelogram. Statement input. When data is keyed in form the keyboard. Read. When data is retrieved from disk storage. Write. When data is stored on disk storage. Print. When the result is sent to the printer. Display when the output is displayed on the screen. Decision symbol or the diamond is used to evaluate a conditional statement o conditional statement. Kanang expect nga na siya yung mga naiuban ana mo ingon na is 8 less than 10. Okay nga na ba? Na siya condition if then else dayon. And branch out to the right process depending on the outcome of the test, which could either be true or false. On-page connector, the circle, nag-mention ako kaina. Symbol is typically small and is used to show up a jump from one point to another within the same page. To show matching jump points, connectors are labeled with a number or with an uppercase alphabet. Diba? S. On-page connector, sumpay lang yapon sa isa ka page. S, yapon ibutang nimo kay sumpay man sila. They are connected. Kung off-page, di lahi na sa page. Kanang gawas na siya sa page. Like for example, kining next. Muning off-page connector. P. Nagbutang kag P. Dapat ang sumpayan na P pod. Kay connected na sila. However, gilahi lang nimo siya page. Munang off-page connector. Gana siya. And pinaka-importante ang flow line. Saan yung may bala ng dagan kung walay flow line? Used to show directional flow of the process in the flowchart. It helps the reader to follow the procedural consequences in the flowchart by simply looking at where the direction of the flow line is heading. More on direction. Asa niya tudlo? Sa kinalahian sa system flowchart and program flowchart. Na-mention okay na. The system flowchart, it shows the overview of the processing employed in the whole system and shows connectivity of the software hardware people are involved in the operations. It's all about connectivity lang. So lang niya gusto lang niya ipakita asa siya na connect, unsay connect ana. Asa siya nabutang, unsay dagan ani. Unlike sa program flowchart, sequential steps necessary to solve a problem. If naay problem na dapat sulbaron, program flowchart ang gamiton. Muna kinalahi nila. Pag nanay problem na dapat sulbaron at hindi mo steps or sequence of steps to solve the problem, program flowchart ang gamiton. Samora. Then, thank you for listening.